You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 34/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7/3 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is m equals 34/3.